It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week?
I like it!
The word of the week is cheetah! Yay! Cheetahs are large cats with long, thin legs, and they're the fastest land animal. You can also use cheetah in a sentence like this. The cheetah was hungry and sprinted fast to catch its food. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Cheetah! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week. Bye!